Do you want to earn free money in just seconds? Do you want to start working from home and get paid for it? If you are looking for a way to make some fast money, this is it. Learn how to earn $10 in seconds without any work. All you need for this is a computer and a PayPal account. But first, just imagine. How would be your life if you earn $1,000 or more each and every day? Achieve your financial freedom, obtain the peace of mind, and enjoy all the luxuries of life. I know you're trying to make money online, and I want to help you out. So, make sure to check the links below in the description. I am sharing a very special and exclusive method to make more than $1,000 each and every day. So, make sure you don't miss out on that, to live your dream lifestyle. Now, let's jump to the video, and make sure to watch till the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. Browsing websites one of the common ways to earn money online. But it is not a big money, however, you can do it as a side hustle in your free time. Today I am bringing you a new site that pays every 10 seconds. It is called bucksinside.com. Bucks Inside is definitely a legit site, are in operation for about 15 years, and is one of the popular PTC sites on the internet. They pay you every 10 seconds when you start completing your tasks. At Bucks Inside you get paid just for browsing advertisers' websites. Clicks on the ads, and watches videos during the amount of time specified by the advertiser. After doing that you get paid with the amount specified in your Bucks Inside account. And you can also earn by referring to your friends or family on Bucks Inside. Bucks Inside is free, you are not required to pay anything to generate income, just register and start earning for free. And it is worldwide and available in a multi-language. Joining Bucks Inside is free and easy. Simply click on the register button. Fill in your details such as username, password, currency, payment method, date of birth, and email address. Then you will receive a confirmational link to confirm your email address. After the registration process is completed, you can start earning money for viewing ads, videos, and websites and taking offers. Once you log into the website, you can click View Fixed Advertisements on this website. Like any other PTC website, you can view the ad you are interested in and you can earn rewards. Each ad will be about 10 seconds, and once you watch that completely, you will earn rewards. Your earning differs from the offers you take Bucks Inside in. It is just like any other PTC website, and each offer has its pay rate and requirements. You can earn up to 1 cent per click from fixed ads and up to $10 per offer or survey completed. You will be paid through PayPal, Coinbase, ADV Cash, Perfect Money, and AirTM. The minimum payout threshold of Bucks Inside is $2. This website offers you varieties of options for payment, which is great. Even though Bucks Inside is legit, you will get only few money as a side hustle. But if you want to make big money, so check the links below in the description. To know how to make more than $1,000 each and every day, and the other apps to make money instantly, and take the next step to have your dream lifestyle. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.